For those that have been following my videos for some time, you're very aware of how I stress the importance of customer service. Today, I have a good example of why, and we're fixing to show you. If everyone remembers, last year I got this Lynx holster from Craft Holsters for this SIG P229, and everyone can see it is clear. Very comfortable holster, and it fit great, but I noticed it was starting to bend and it would catch when you put the gun in the holster. So I contacted Al at Craft Holster and asked him what could be done. And he said he was going to talk with his colleagues and see if there was a remedy. If not, they would send me a new holster. And this was the first time on this holster they've seen it do that. So he sent a replacement holster. Everyone can see this one. It fits in there like it should. Stays stiff. Don't really know what happened on this, but we're going to have a few more words. Now you can see why I recommend companies that stand behind their products and have good customer service. If you don't have the service, it doesn't matter how good the product is. A lot of companies would not have even responded to me. Al made sure I had one, said they do everybody this way. They want to make sure you're a happy customer, and you cannot beat the service that they have. Might take a few days because it's coming from Slovakia. That's a pretty good way. Go to the Craft website. They have an abundance of holsters, and I've got a couple new products on the way from them before long. They're being made. That will be a surprise for everyone. Like and subscribe. Till next time.